Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. Registered funeral directors say they are strictly enforcing the government's directives regarding social distancing at funerals. Dwayne Anderson reports.
Funerals are traditionally very important events in Jamaica and consequently attract very large crowds. But changes have been ordered by the authorities. Now only 10 people are allowed to gather at funeral services. The restrictions are part of efforts to fight COVID-19 by encouraging people to keep their distance from each other.
The folks, they are cooperating, and it's just a matter of understanding the situation, because all of us will be in danger if we disobey.
Alongside the restrictions on gatherings, many flights have been cancelled as flights are no longer allowed into Jamaica. That has added to the disruption in funeral plans for many bereaved families. Some families have therefore postponed funerals. So what about the costs for the delay in burying the dead?
Most of us, if not all, as directors, we have embedded in the package a time for storage. Hypothetically speaking, say if one has 30 days included, right? Then you go in excess of that. It is negotiable. Whatever it is, we will just discuss with the relatives, and if it needs be, we see the very minimum that we could charge.
The president of the Jamaica Association of Certified Embalmers and Funeral Directors, Calvin Lynn, said they have also had talks with emergency authorities as well as health ministry officials to discuss the association's role in the country's COVID-19 response.
Their thinking is that they would be looking at the possibility, hope not, that the thing should spread and we'd have an increased number of deaths from CV-19. And we assure them, based on our experience and practice, that across the island we have enough storage should it be needed, and with the equipment needed, personal protection equipment, PPE, and also we discussed the mode of disposal, cremation to expedite same, and regular burial for those who, according to religion and other reasons, would want to bury, and that.
Other countries that have been hit hard by COVID-19 have had to make special arrangements for bodies. New York City hospitals have put in place makeshift morgues outside of their facilities to handle the pileup of bodies from the pandemic. Refrigerated trucks were seen parked outside several of the largest medical centers throughout the 5 boroughs in New York over the weekend. Spain, which has been hit hard by COVID-19, has also set up temporary morgue to store a large number of bodies. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.